People often ask me why I became a runway coach. The truth is, it was partly inspired by the people around me. Over the years, at almost every show I took part in, I naturally found myself guiding, encouraging, and supporting other models, even before I officially became a coach. People would come to me for advice about their walk, their posture, their confidence, and presence. They trusted my experience, and I realized how much I genuinely enjoyed helping others grow. Becoming a coach was therefore a natural progression for me. I never wanted to teach people to copy me. I wanted to help them to discover their own identity and become the best version of themselves. For me, coaching is about much more than a runway. It's about confidence, presence, discipline, and believing in your own potential. When I see someone leave my masterclass standing taller and believing in themselves, that is the greatest reward. That's why I do what I do. My journey as a petite model hasn't always been easy. Almost a decade ago, I started walking in 6-inch heels. At the time, it wasn't common, but for me, it wasn't about trying to be taller. It was about embracing my height and walking with confidence. Over the years, I've worked internationally, judged competitions, directed runway shows, and appeared on magazine covers. My journey has taught me that confidence, professionalism, and presence can open doors. That's why I now chose to work with productions that genuinely value diversity, inclusivity. Fashion should celebrate talent, not just measurements. Never let someone else's expectations stop you from chasing your dreams. If there is one lesson the fashion industry has taught me, it's this. Not every opportunity is the right opportunity. In the beginning, I said yes to almost everything because I wanted experience and I wanted to support others. Today, I've learned that it's important to value your time, your experience, and your worth. I've also learned that kindness and professionalism will always take you further than ego. Stay humble, keep learning, and never stop growing. The right opportunities will always align with your values. People often think confidence is something you're born with. I don't believe that. Confidence is something you build through experience, through practice, and through stepping outside your comfort zone. Every runway I've walked, every stage I've stood on, and every challenge I've faced has helped me to grow. That's exactly why I created my masterclass, because confidence doesn't only change the way you walk, it changes the way you speak, the way you carry yourself, and the way you believe in your own future. And that can change your life.